Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create an eye-catching and professional PowerPoint title slide design that will instantly crave your audience attention, whether you are making a presentation for work, school or job. This design tip is a game changer. So let's jump right in, level up your slides design.